Thanks to the standard feature M Sport package in its new design, the new BMW iX3 looks sportier than ever. Aerodynamic elements and blue accents bring out the electric nature of the vehicle to its full effect. Whether for short or longer journeys, with a range of up 460 kilometers and electricity consumption from 18.5 kWh 100 km, the new BMW iX3 is ideally suited to every route. Awaiting you in the BMW iX3 are state-of-the-art technologies that combine emission-free mobility with supreme comfort. The intelligent driver assistance systems can be operated quite simply by voice command and increase safety during the journey. Alexa, turn on the light in the living room. Enjoy the convenience of Amazon's voice service Alexa in your BMW, just like you do at home. More dynamic, efficient and innovative than ever, the 5th generation BMW eDrive technology installed in the BMW iX3. In combination with the newly developed high-voltage battery and adaptive suspension, it allows this SAV to offer an electrifying driving performance and acceleration over every meter. Experience the exterior of the BMW iX3. At the front, the BMW iKidney grille forms the central element which together with the L-shaped air inlets in BMW iBlue underlines the vehicle's all-electric nature. Giving the car a more focused look are its sleek adaptive LED headlights. The side profile gets generously proportioned contours around the wheel arches housing 20-inch M aerodynamic 890M style wheels in jet black with aluminium accents. Behind the front wheel are also present air breathers in BMW M design. The rear profile is equally impressive and showcases elements like vertical air breather, LED rear lights with 3D cover glass, pincer graphics, and horizontal indications. The blue diffusers above the road and frozen grey trim complete the rear look. The all-electric SUV comes with BMW Live Cockpit Professional unit that combines a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster with 12.3-inch touch-capable control display. The BMW iX all around the cockpit emphasize the car's emission-free drive system. The panorama glass roof provides a light-flooded atmosphere and offers plenty of fresh air in the vehicle interior. It opens and closes automatically at a touch of a button or with the key. It comes equipped with a wind deflector, slide and lift functions, and roller sun blind. Offered as standard fitment are super comfortable sport seats in perforated fine-grained Sensatec. It also gets a 3-spoke M leather steering wheel with multifunction and M emblem. Further enhancing the car's sporty accent is its aluminium rhombical dark trim strips. Both the iX3 variants are powered by a rear-mounted e-motor delivering a maximum power of 286 PS and a peak torque of 400 Nm. With the given setup, the electric SUV can complete the century in just 6.8 seconds before hitting a top speed of 180 km/h. The EV is fitted with a 73.8 kWh lithium-ion battery that offers a range of between 453 to 461 kilometers. It takes around 7.5 hours to charge the iX3 via maximum AC charging power of 11 kilowatts. Also, available is a DC fast charger at up to 150 kilowatts, 80% in just 32 minutes.